Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 5, today we are going to cover the remaining part in the chapter 7 in EVS Experiment with Water. Today we are going to see some interesting topic in it. It is a magic. What magic? On the next day, Ami he had fever, and Abu he made tea and went to give medicine to Ami because Ami he can't do any work. And Abu he told Aisha to boil eggs by putting some salt on it. Mistakenly, what happened? She put too much of salt in water. She saw that the eggs at the bottom of the pot, while at the starting, all the eggs were at the bottom of the pot. But later, it comes up little and start to float in water. She was thinking how it happened. And what was the thing? The same thing she tried with the lemon. The lemon float in water. Because of what? See here. This is a picture. The egg in a normal water. The water which doesn't contain salt. The egg will sink. If the water it contains salt, the egg will float. The same as such in the lemon also. Just try it in your home, children. Take a cup of water, mix some salt in it, or else take some cup of water, put the lemon first, then see, and then add some salt in it till the lemon get float in it. Yeah, children. Because of what? Do you all know what is Dead Sea? One sea is there. We all know what is sea and oceans. All oceans and seas have salty water. Salty water means we all know all the sea and ocean have the salty water. The saltiest of the all is Dead Sea. Then imagine, the saltiest of all is Dead Sea. How salty it will be. Imagine 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. In 1 liter of Dead Sea water, we can take 300 grams of salt. In a Dead Sea, if a person who doesn't know swimming, if he fell down, he will float. No one will get sink inside the Dead Sea because the density, when the density of the water is high, the object will float. Even the human being, they will float in the Dead Sea. No one will get sink inside the water. They will lie as a bed. They will lie down in the sea, Dead Sea, and they can enjoy. No one will get sink inside the Dead Sea. What dissolved and what did not? On next Sunday, Aisha's cousin brother named Hamid, he came to her house to play. He asked his aunt to make his favorite a sweet dish called sakarapara. Chakarapara. So her aunt she asked Hamid to help her. She want to move for the market, so she asked Hamid, take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it. Mix it till it dissolved. She asked the help from Hamid to mix the sugar, 1 bowl of sugar in glass of water. Suggest some way to Hamid for quickly dissolving sugar. Here we want to know what are all the steps we can give to him. Stirring it fastly, heating up the liquid. If we heat up the liquid, it will get melted, the sugar will get melted. Use sugar in powdered form. Instead of using sugar crystals, we can use sugar powder. These are all the easy way of suggestion we can give to Hamid. Before that, we want to know what is soluble and insoluble. Dissolving and undissolved. That is soluble and insoluble. The substance will dissolve in water. That is called soluble. Not in water, in a liquid we can see. The substance will dissolve in a liquid is called soluble. The substance will not dissolve in a liquid and formed precipitate is called insoluble. Right, children? In your book, you have an experiment. Just do it. Then find it. What are all the things get dissolved and what are all the things get precipitated? And the next topic is rising drops. While doing this, Hamid and Aisha have some arguments. Then Aisha put 2 drops of oil in a lid. She took her one lid, tiffin box lid, and she put 2 drops of oil on it. On the next, nearby the oil, she put 2 drops of water. Then she put sugar solution, 2 drops of sugar solution. See here? She tilted the lid. She saw some drops slide quickly while some were left behind. See? The water, it has get flowed easily, and next the sugar syrup and the oil. Right, children? Based on the density, the water is flowing. Right, children? And next, where did the water go? One day, Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. What happened? Aisha's mother, she put some water to boil in the stove for making tea. She got some busy work and she forgot about it. When she remembered and came back to check, she found very little water left in the pan. Think, where did the water go? That is, we all know, that is evaporation. Due to the evaporation, the water converted into a water vapor and it was gone. Right, children? This is about the experiment with water, and about the Dandi March we have to learn in this chapter. This incident took place in 1930 before India became independent. What happened? This was happened on 1930 before India got independence. Gandhiji, we all know, Mahatma Gandhiji, father of our nation. What he did, on that time the Britishers, they made a rule that no one should take salt from the sea. No one should take as by their own from the sea. Gandhiji, he fight and he said, naturally available things doesn't have any law or rules. So he made a walk from Ahmedabad to Dundee by collecting more peoples on saying the truth, we have to fight for it. Then he went to the Dundee and he took the salt. He collected the salt from the seashore. This was the act performed by our Mahatma Gandhiji on 1930. This is called as a Dandi March. Right, children? So this is about this chapter, experiment with water. Right, children? Thank you and have a great day.